Everyone, if you ever try to connect AI agent to external tools, you know the pains installing dependencies, managing configurations, worrying about security. It's a mess. With the bunch of MCP tools now we are having, each day many people creating many MCP servers. Configuring those things, it's becoming nightmare now. Very recently, I found this Docker MCP Toolkit. It looks really good. It's the easiest and most secure way to run MCP servers for our AI agents, and it's built right into Docker Desktop. Here, what it makes it awesome, we get access to over 200 curated MCP servers. MCP servers like GitHub, Notion, Stripe, Elastic, Neo4j, and tons of more, all containerized and ready to go. Yeah. The best thing is zero setup required. Yes, no dependency conflicts, no manual configuration, just click and run. Secure by default, every server runs isolated on its own container with limited resources and no access to a file system. Docker builds and digitally sign all the official servers so we know they are trustworthy. So we have to trust them, and it's Docker. And built-in OAuth. Need to authenticate with GitHub or Notion. The toolkit handles it automatically. No more fumbling with API tokens. And the best part, it works all with our favorite AI clients: Claude, Cursor, VS Code, yeah, you name it. Let me show how this works. So in the Docker desktop, you can see new menu MCP toolkit. Yes, it's still in beta. So it's a new first feature. In the catalog, our 300, so over 300, we can see all the MCP servers. So we can enable these ones. Yeah, so it will ask us to add it. So this will be, if it is requires secret to work, so we can configure those things. I'm not going to do it now. So we will have those kind of MCP servers. So we configure all the MCP servers in the MCP toolkit. And when it comes to our favorite client, we kind of activate. So we can say, let's say, that's my favorite thing. Yep. So I'll open the Claude code. Let me, yep. Can you enable, maybe, which one? The Go MCP and search for what's new in Claude code. Let's see what it's trying to do. This is the thing. So MCP Docker and MCP find command, it is try to go find it and activate. Tools, do you want to proceed? Yes. Add the new MCP server to session? Yes. Hit again, yes. Yes, and don't ask again. While waiting, let's see how it is connected. So in the client sections, we can see all the clients we can connect. Of course, if it is not connected, you will get option to connect, or if it is the client is not downloaded, installed, you might be able to download and set up. So that's how it works. It makes our life easy. To be honest, this is one of the problem I had because I mostly use VS Code, Cursor, Claude Code, Gemini. So it's not easy to configure all the tools because I have some favorite tools in the VS Code. I need to reconfigure everything in the cursor. That's not nice. That's the one of the problem I had. So Docker MCP Toolkit solves that issue. That's really nice. And let's see what the response is. So of course, the response it doesn't matter. The what matters is this use DuckDuckGo MCP and it do the uh, searching using MCP. Let me know what you think, MCP Toolkit.